Munson Creek Falls.
Well, part.
I'm an angel.
Oh my God.
Keep it.
Drink.
At number 10, The Outpost.
Because they're running from something.
Not me. I'm not walking away now.
You are.
Dead or alive? Find me that black blood!
If you are craving old school fantasy adventure that wears its heart on its sleeve, The Outpost is a throwback worth rediscovering. The series ran for 4 seasons between 2018 and 2021, delivering a pulpy, quest-driven story that felt closer to Jaina, a legend of the Seeker, than prestige fantasy. It follows Talon, the last survivor of a mass-scarred race, as she hunts the mercenaries who destroyed her people, only to uncover powers far bigger than revenge. Over its 49 episodes, the show steadily builds its mythology, expands its world, and leans full into magic, monster, and political intrigue. The series was cancelled after season 4, but it does reach a proper conclusion, making it an easy, complete binge for fantasy fans who miss straightforward weekly adventure storytelling. Number 9. Charmed.
That's not fair.
Few fantasy shows defined an era quite like Charmed. Running for 8 seasons from 1998 to 2006, this long-running series followed the Hallowell sisters, 3 and later Howard, which is bound by the legendary power of 3. At its core, Charmed was not just about demons and spells. It was about family, loss, and growing up while carrying impossible responsibility. The early season balanced Monster of the Week fun with surprisingly emotional storytelling, and the shift after proves that gave the show a darker, more serialized edge. Over 178 episodes, the series leaned into romance, mythology, and full-on supernatural chaos. Sometimes campy, sometimes heartfelt, always memorable. While later seasons divided fans, Charmed remains one of the most influential fantasy shows ever made, proving that sisterhood could be just as powerful as magic. Number 8. The Magicians. Running for 5 seasons from 2015 to 2020, The Magician is what happens when fantasy grows up, gets messy, and stops pretending magic fixes everything. The series follows a group of deeply flawed students at Brackbills University, where spell casting comes with rules, consequences, and emotional scars. What starts as a darker riff on wizard school tropes quickly expands into parallel worlds, gods, time loops, and full-on existential crises. Over 65 episodes, the show constantly reinvents itself, swinging from brutal tragedy to absurd musical numbers without warning. It is cynical, funny, heartbreaking, and surprisingly honest about depression, addiction, and loss. The series was intensely ended after season 5, giving it a real conclusion rather than a cliffhanger. If you want fantasy that is not afraid to break its character to tell a deeper story, this one hits hard. Number 7. Carnival Row. Running for 2 seasons from 2019 to 2023, Carnival Row is a dark, ambitious fantasy series that blends noir mystery with political allegory. Set in a grim Victorian-inspired city, it follows mythological refugees, fays, and other creatures forced into ghettos after fleeing a brutal war, while a murder investigation exposes a much deeper conspiracy. Orlando Bloom plays a conflicted detective hiding a dangerous secret, while Cara Delevingne Vignette becomes entangled in rebellion and resistance. Across 18 episodes, the show leans heavily into themes of immigration, class division and power, wrapping them in lavish world building and striking production design. While it was officially concluded with its second season, the series delivers a complete story. It is moody, dense, and unapologetically heavy fantasy that is not afraid to get political. Number 6. Merlin. Running for 5 seasons from 2008 to 2012, Merlin is a reimagining of Arthurian legend that focuses less on prophecy and more on friendship, destiny, and restraint. The series follows a young Merlin as he arrives in Camelot and secretly uses magic to protect Prince Arthur in a kingdom where sorcery is punishable by death. What begins as a light, almost episodic adventure gradually matures into a darker, more serialized story about power, sacrifice, and inevitability. Across 65 episodes, the bond between Merlin and Arthur becomes the emotional core, making the final season hit harder than most viewers expect. The show ended intentionally after its 5th season, delivering a definitive conclusion rather than a cancellation. It is earnest, heartfelt fantasy, simple on the surface, surprisingly tragic underneath. Number 5. The Man in the High Castle. Few shows commit to their premise as hard as The Man in the High Castle. Adapted from Philip K. Dick's novel, the series asks a terrifying question. What if the Axis powers won World War II? Across 4 seasons between 2015 and 2019, it builds a deeply unsettling version of America, split between Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan. The real hook is not just the dystopian world, it is how personal the story becomes. Characters are not heroes or villains so much as people making impossible choices inside a brutal system. Refuse shows performance in particular turns the show into a moral pressure cooker. While its sci-fi elements expand later on, the heart of the series is power, compromise, and identity. It was not cancelled. It reached a planned conclusion, making it a complete binge-ready experience. Number 8. Good Omens.
We're hereditary enemies. We've lost the Antichrist.
We have to work together.
Number 3. Jonathan Strange and Mr. Norrell.
I'm under a hedge who told me I was a magician. Buy these 2 spells from me, sir. They'll get you started. And assistant. What do you mean by summoning me here?
At number 10. Undone.
And I eat the same breakfast and then take the same commute to work. I'm 28 years old and I'm...
Is this a dream?
Well,
You don't need to worry about me because I'm pretty much okay.
pretty much.
You're fine.
But since the accident, you have been
And he's training me to travel in time.
With your ability.
At number 1. Grimm.